Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Each month I have Laura's free stamp set of the month, and that can be earned with a $75 order placed within the month. So anytime you place an online order or at one of my events, if you order $75 or more, that's before tax and shipping, then you will earn the free stamp set of the month. So in January, the free stamp set is the Birthday Wishes for You. I thought I would start off the year with a great birthday stamp set, since it's a whole new year where we're starting to celebrate everyone's birthday all over again. I love this image because you can color it in, but you can also stamp it solid as well. Here are two samples that I did for a quick and simple, more feminine, more masculine card, because after all, I always struggle with my masculine cards because I love flowers and bling and pinks and stuff like that. So I went with the same concept but two different styles. So really both of these could be great for both male and female, but I kind of wanted to go, you know, a little bit in one direction and the other. So this card is super simple. I have Peekaboo Peach here and Lemon Lime Twist here. What I did is I started with my card base. So here I'm going to show you the Peekaboo Peach, and I used both images in the stamp set, and I used just one ink pad, which was basic black. So I just took the banner image, which says, "With many wishes just for you," and I stamped it 3 times. So I kind of had it falling off the bottom. So I stamped it one, kind of angled it up and stamped it again for that lighter look. I did go back to the ink and inked it up again and stamped it a 3rd time. Just sort of in that like Z zigzag pattern. Now some of that might be completely covered up, and that's perfectly fine. So now I'm going to go up high with the full strength and then the little stamped off. And then I'm going to go back to the ink and stamp it one more time. You can always sort of put your designer series paper here as a guide, like off to the side. I wouldn't actually recommend adhering it on first, only because you want to get it so close but not to go on top of your image. So that's why I didn't actually put this piece on first. So then this piece is actually some of the Tutti-Frutti designer series paper, which is one of the 6x6 stacks in the Occasions mini catalog. This is actually another piece from that same stack, but you could use any sort of designer series paper that has a very subtle background. So you can see it just has those little polka dots. This one just has those grid lines on it. So you can see it's a very simple, subtle pattern. So now this piece actually measures 3 inches by 4 1/4 inches. So you can actually get 2 of these pieces from one piece of the 6x6 designer series paper stack. So now I'm just going to adhere this right to the middle. So now you can see that some of my images here are kind of covered up, and that's okay, because I kind of want it to look like it goes continuous underneath my image. Then I am using the washi tape pack. There's actually 5 rolls to this pack. The 5th roll is a skinny dark roll, and I'm not quite sure. I think I might have used it all up, so I don't have any more of that. But this is great black and white pattern, so it matches with anything. And I actually used the arrows here, and I didn't go all the way to the edge because I wanted it to have a nice sealed look and not fall off the edge and wrinkle. So I just kind of went close to the edge and ripped. So by ripping, it makes it super simple. No need to get out your scissors or anything for that. And it sort of gives it that rustic look. So then that seals off the top and the bottom for just a little bit more texture and coordination with the project. Then I used some basic black baker's twine and just wrapped it around the spine of my card here. So I just simply took the black, which again I was able to use for any of my color schemes, both the Lemon Lime Twist and the Peekaboo Peach, but you could pick any color and do this same color. So I usually like to do a double knot with my baker's twine because it is so thin. You don't have to worry about the bulkiness of that knot. And I like to do the knot before I do the bow so that it's nice and tight on my project. And there you have that bow. And of course, if you want that bow to be up higher or lower, just open your card, sort of, you know, make like a bowl or like a a little piece out of it, and then you can just slide this up and down as you wish, so you can place it exactly where you want. So don't worry about getting it in the exact spot whenever you go to tie it, because you can always move it around once it's already nice and tight. So there is that quick and simple card made with Peekaboo Peach with just one stamp set and one ink pad, and you get those awesome colors and a quick and simple birthday card. Of course, you could always make it to match the recipient's favorite color or whatever you actually have on hand. Then you could always make a whole bunch like that. So super fun and simple. There still is a few more days that you can earn this stamp set for free. This is, again, the birthday wishes for you. This is Laura's free stamp set for January, so you can only earn that through me. I will leave a link down below so that you can see more details on that, and you can also start shopping to earn your free stamp set, and then you can make these fabulous cards as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial for a quick and simple birthday card. Be sure to check out my blog, laurastamppad.com, where I'll have more pictures of these as well as other samples using Stuff in the Occasions mini catalog. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new by clicking over here, and check out some of my other videos over here. I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.